Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find and use Steam game launch options. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll see several options. Click on Library to access your game collection. This is where all your installed and available games are listed. Now in the left panel, you'll see all your games displayed. Find the game you want to modify and right-click on it. A context menu will appear with various options. From this menu, select Properties. This will open a new window dedicated to that specific game's settings and configurations. In the Properties window, look for the Launch Options section. You'll notice a text field directly below it. Go ahead and click on this text field. This is where you can enter specific commands that tell Steam how to launch your game with custom parameters. These commands are incredibly useful for troubleshooting issues, improving performance, or customizing your gaming experience right from the start. Now let's go through some of the most common and useful launch options you can use. If you want to start your game in safe mode, which is particularly helpful when you're experiencing crashes or graphics issues, type "-safe" in the text field. This forces the game to launch with minimal settings, making it easier to diagnose problems. If you're tired of sitting through intro videos or logos every time you start your game, type "-novid". This command skips all those introductory sequences and gets you straight into the game menu, saving you valuable time, especially if you launch the game frequently. For those who prefer playing in windowed mode rather than full screen, type "-windowed". This forces the game to start in a window, which makes it easier to multitask or switch between applications without minimizing the game completely. And if you want to ensure your game always starts in full screen mode, type "-full screen". This is useful if your game sometimes defaults to windowed mode and you prefer the immersive full screen experience every time you launch it. You can even combine multiple launch options by separating them with spaces, giving you complete control over how your game starts. Once you've entered your desired launch options, simply close the Properties window and launch your game. Steam will automatically apply these settings every time you start that particular game. And that's how you find and use Steam game launch options to customize your gaming experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.